Starting today, millions of Americans will see changes to their federal student loans. Many borrowers will have to switch to new plans and therefore face higher monthly payments. We're already hearing about this locally. ABC's Karen Ho explains.
This morning, the Trump administration is calling this the biggest overhaul to the student loan program in decades. The president is ending a Biden-era repayment program called SAVE. Now, the roughly 7 million borrowers in that program have 90 days to choose between two new plans. Lower income Americans may be affected the most as they will see higher monthly payments. There will also be new limits on loans. Before, students could borrow the full cost of their tuition and fees. Now, graduate students are limited to borrow $100,000 in total, and professional students, like those in law and med school, can only take out $200,000 in total. The Department of Education says these caps will curb excessive borrowing and force institutions to evaluate their costs.
It's not your neighbor's job to repay your loan. It's your job to repay your loan. But there are tools available to help you to make sure that you have a manageable payment.
But critics argue this could deter people from pursuing higher education.
Those students are going to be forced to look for alternate sources of financing, forced to borrow less, or may end up foregoing graduate education altogether.
According to the Department of Education, about 43 million borrowers have a total student debt of nearly $1.7 trillion. Starting today, for the next 2 years, the Education Department is dropping interest rates by about a full percentage point for those who use autopay. Karen Hua, ABC News, Washington.
The Trump administration tried to end a program that cancels student debt for public service workers like longtime government and nonprofit employees, but a judge just struck down those efforts.